Hi everyone. I hope my voice is clear and everyone can hear me. Just give me a minute. I'll just start. Just wanted to tell you one thing, that do not raise your hand and all. Okay, those people who are raising the hand, we are removing them uh, from the this streaming. Okay, so do not raise your hand. Nothing is required here. I'm going to tell you everything clearly. If you have any questions, queries, anything, you can use the chat option. We are regularly monitoring that. Okay, but do not raise your hand unless and until it is required, and it is not required actually. Okay, so again, like, this is our third class of free SQL and Linux. This is again completely free of cost, so just enjoy it. Okay, this is also available on the YouTube channel. We have uploaded the same thing available on the YouTube channel, like last two lectures we uploaded, and this will be the last session which is also getting streamed on my YouTube channel. So those people who are watching me from my YouTube channel, they can join this directly Zoom meeting. We are taking some 500 people at a time. So those people who are interested to join this from the Zoom, they can directly use this link which is available in the chat also, and you might have seen over my screen. So those people who are interested to join this through the Zoom, they can directly join with the help of Zoom software also. Again, from the next day or from tomorrow, I'm not going to upload it to the YouTube channel. I'm not going to upload it to any social media. So this will be only live class, no recordings, nothing will be there. So utilize this a wonderful time. Again, I'm telling you, those people who have gone through my last two lectures, I hope everyone must be feeling that this is something which is really helping you and adding a new knowledge to your skill set. Okay, so trust me, if you go through this, if you are going with this training, again, this will be around 1 month of training where you are going to learn about the free SQL and Linux. If you are going with this training, you can look for the jobs. You can go outside and say that, boss, I know this technology, can you please give me the job? So you can definitely go for it. Okay, those people who are not able to hear me properly, please check your mic. You can check everything from your side and it should be fine. Okay, honestly, I spend a lot of money on this mic to make sure that um, the thing should be properly. Okay, again, those who are joining for the first time, please visit our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies. We have around 18,000 followers available on our YouTube channel, and daily we are uploading new videos there based on the different technologies. So it's completely free of cost. Utilize that. You can also visit my LinkedIn profile. You do one thing, guys. If you want to know more about the jobs and everything, just go to my profile. If you want to know more about me, you can visit my profile and you can follow me on the LinkedIn also. So if you go here, I will just provide this link in the chat options. You go here and just follow me on my LinkedIn. So here you can see that you will find that we are posting a lot of videos, lot of job vacancies. So this is going to be really helpful for you. Again, same thing I'm again repeating, this is completely free of cost. Okay, so don't worry about the things. We are not paying, we are not charging anything. Free of cost. Okay, we have already taken a very good things. Please share it with your friends, colleague, everyone, because see, I can see that we have around 400 people are there, but I know that there are lakhs of people are there surrounded by me, they also want to kickstart their journey into the IT industry. Now, if these people want to go into the IT industry, maybe we are not able to reach them. We are able to reach, we can able to reach to the most of the people if you help us. Okay. So what you need to do, you just need to ask people to follow me, maybe on LinkedIn, on my YouTube channel. You can join our WhatsApp group, you can join our Telegram group, and that's how, like, we can reach to the multiple people. So our agenda is very much pretty much clear, that we want everyone to come into the IT industry. We have a very good package, we have stable life in the IT compared to the other industry. So in my experience, I have seen that the people coming from civil, people coming from electronics, electrical, not only just the BTech people, also the people coming from BSc, BCom, everyone want to come into the IT industry. So why it is like that? Why it is like that? Because they want to come into the IT industry, because package wise, like if you consider that here the starting salary of every person is 30,000. But if you want to earn 30,000 in civil or mechanical, you need to spend a lot of times. I have a people who is having 12 plus years of experience in mechanical industry. Still they don't have a good package. Like their 12 years of person, and here my 3-4 years of person can match their package. So things are happening like that. Okay. So आप एक समझो कि आईटी में क्या है कि पैसा काफी अच्छा है. It's a private job, but I'll tell you there are multiple options are there. अगर एक कंपनी नहीं ले रही है आपको, you have other companies are there. ये कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब थोड़ी ना है. If you are not comfortable with the one company, go with another company, go with the third company. Thousands of companies are there surrounded by us. So we have a very good IT hub surrounded in the multiple metro cities. Like we have Pune location is there, especially people coming from the Maharashtra, they can get a job in Pune. Mumbai is there. Then those who want to travel, they can travel to the Bangalore is there, Hyderabad is there, Kolkata is there, multiple locations are there. Okay. So don't worry, like IT is everywhere. Okay. And lot of opportunities are there in the IT. Just you need to be a technically sound. देखो आईटी में जॉब के लिए दो चीज आपको चाहिए. देयर आर टू थिंग्स यू रिक्वायर. वन इज आपके पास में टेक्निकल नॉलेज होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी टेक्निकली साउंड. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन कम्युनिकेशन आल्सो. Like if you are comfortable in English, you can speak with the people very well. This also get matters, in IT industry. Why it is matters? Like, see, I'll tell you one example. Let's say I'm a very good Oracle database administrator. Let's say I'm very good in technology, but I don't know how to communicate with the people. If there is a client and I want to talk with the client, but I don't know how to speak in English, then also it's a problem, right? Because most of the time you'll find a client coming from the US location, so you need to communicate with him. Now if you are not able to understand him, or he is not able to understand you, then also it's problem, right? So दो चीजों पे काम करना शुरू करो. One is you need to work on your technical skill set. Second thing is you need to work on your communication also. See, I may be having a good name in the market, because whatever things I want to tell you, maybe I'm able to tell you clearly, and you are able to understand that, right? That is the reason maybe people are joining here, right? Why we have a people, 400 500 people are coming over here at a time. देखो अगर बंदे आ रहे हैं and if they are able to understand, उसके पीछे रीजन क्या है कि भाई कम्युनिकेशन जिसका अच्छा है ना, दिल से दिल बात जुड़नी चाहिए, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर मैं क्या बोल रहा, आप क्या सुन रहे, वो किसी को अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा, देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके. सो I'll tell you very important thing, like start working on two things from today. Okay. Again I'm giving you free suggestions. इसके लिए कोई पैसा नहीं ले रहे हम लोग. What is the suggestion? See, I'm telling you with my experience. ऐसा नहीं मैंने कहीं से सुना है and then I'm telling you. I have already worked with a big companies. Like if you see my profile, I have already worked with the companies like, see here, L&T, Infotech, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, इसके नीचे भी है. So I'm telling you all these things with my experience only. And what my experience is saying that even though if you are not technically sound by any chance, I'll tell you my real time experience, there are some candidates, they are not good in technically, but what HR is saying that if they are able to communicate the message, that's fine. If she is good in the communication, take her. If she is having some basic knowledge but in terms of communication she is fine, take her. क्योंकि 10 लोगों के टीम में ऐसा नहीं है कि सब लोगों को काम करना है। ओके, 10 लोगों की टीम में मे भी 2-3 लोग काम करेंगे, 2-3 लोग सिर्फ बातें करेंगे, क्योंकि बात करने के लिए भी बंदे चाहिए। If you just know how to work but you don't know how to communicate with the client, if your communication is very weak, then also it is a problem, right? Then also it is a problem. So my suggestion to everyone is try to focus on your communication. Okay, if you are not good in technical, somewhere we can adjust the thing, but if you are technically sound but if you are not able to communicate, then it's a problem. Okay, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option, say yes, no, whatever it is. Able to understand? Good. Good. Great. Great guys, like I see everyone is able to understand. बहुत बढ़िया है. Okay, this is what I need. Everyone should be able to understand. Okay, everyone should be able to understand. Okay. So you just help me with one thing, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to that. Rest of the things we will take care. Okay, rest of the things we will take care. Okay. now let's come back and try to see, okay, whatever we have discussed in the last lecture. So I do understand that some people may face issues while doing the installation. Most of you people may have things like, okay, whenever you are giving a training we are able to understand, right? But like certain times, like I do understand that most of the people are trying hard. Like let's say I'm doing some steps, you are also doing along with me, but some of the people may face some challenges, like okay, I got this error message and like what to do now. See, I do understand that. Like I'll tell you sincerely one thing, that we also want to help you. Like what we want to do, like if you are facing the issues, I we can take your control and we can fix the issue. We want to do like that. But since it's a huge crowd, like we have 500 and like we have our paid batches are also there, so especially it's not possible for us, like to spend the time to I'm really sorry for that, but try to understand one thing, that if you're facing some issues, we cannot fix the issues as of now. Okay, because usually my support team is they are much busy with the other paid batches are there. So use your Google. Google is it's free of cost. Whenever you get any error message, whenever you are struggle somewhere, try to use Google. Try to use YouTube channel. There are multiple videos available on the YouTube channel. So like we have YouTube channel is there. There are multiple problems we have fixed there, and you can see that problems resolution on the YouTube channel free of cost. Again, like as I said, like if you face any technical challenges, like when I'm giving a training, it's in the special free of cost training. I completely understand that we are not able to provide you support, but try to utilize that. Okay, it's a free of cost training only, and since we have a huge count available in the in this free of cost training, it's quite difficult to provide the support. But usually, like whenever it comes to the paid training, we have a dedicated support team is there, where we provide support. Like we have dedicated support team is there, we have dedicated people are there which will take you in the call. They will share, they will ask you to share your screen and they will fix the issue. So we do have support like that. But again, for this training, I'm really sorry, I want to do, but since we have a limited resources are there, we cannot provide you the support. Okay, now let me share my screen and we will talk about the things. Okay, so those people who are interested to join through Zoom, they can use this same link. This is a meeting ID and this is a passcode of this training. You can daily join by 6 o'clock free of cost. Okay, you can share it with your friends, you can take a snapshot, share it with your friends. Okay, so for them also it will be easy. If you want me to take this and send it to the chat option, I can do that for you. Okay, so I just shared, it got shared as a, okay. Now what we have done till now, let's try to understand that. So first thing which I told you, that we need to download and install. What we need to install? Oracle VirtualBox, right? The first thing is we need to download and install the Oracle VirtualBox. That part we have done in the last lecture. Second thing is we need to install. Before the installation, we need to download the Ubuntu also, right? We need to download Ubuntu. These are the two things which I asked you to do that in the last lecture. By any chance, if you have some issues, let me do that again one more time. If you want to download the Ubuntu, you can just go and search with download Ubuntu. So click on the first link. I have already shared this thing in the last lecture, but still, if you want to download the Ubuntu, you can go here. And if you scroll it down, you can see there is this Ubuntu ISO file is there. Just click here and it will start downloading for you. Okay, it will start downloading for you. So this part we have already done in the last lecture, and we have placed our ISO file in some safe location. So this part is done. I will just cancel it because in my laptop it's already downloaded. I was discussing about the download VirtualBox also, how to download VirtualBox for Windows. You can go here, click on the first link where you can download, and click on the Windows host. And if you are using a Mac operating system, you can install it for the Mac operating system. But hum log garib hai, so we are going with the Windows. Okay, so most of the people, I feel like everyone have the Windows, including me. So I'm also using Windows operating system. But those people who are rich, who are using the Mac operating system, they can click on Mac and they can install this Mac operating system. Okay, so I'm just going here and let me do one thing. So this is my Oracle VirtualBox. I just open my Oracle VirtualBox. This is the software through which you can install multiple operating system. Like by using this Oracle VirtualBox, you can run Windows operating system at a time, Linux operating system at a time, Ubuntu you can install, Linux you can install, Red Hat Linux, whatever you wish. You can see I have 10 plus machines are there. All these machines I can run at a time. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to install Ubuntu. So how to install Ubuntu? Click on new. Now it is asking that what is the name of your machine. I'm saying that it's Ubuntu. You can give any name, Ubuntu webinar. So I will just give the name like webinar. Where this name will come? This name will come on the left hand side. This name will come on the left hand side. Now it will ask you, like, when you do this installation, it is going to store some of the files. Where you want to store the files? So usually, like, it will take a space from your base operating system, which is my Windows. So what I will do, I'll click on others. And go to any location, and there you can create a folder. So I'm going to use this G drive. Here I'll create one folder with the name, let's say Ubuntu ubuntu hash free webinar VM. I'm going to create one folder, Ubuntu free webinar VM. Just select this folder. So in this folder, my VMware related files, my VirtualBox related files of that Ubuntu will be stored. Where? in the G drive. You can keep any drive, like you can keep C drive, D drive. Don't try with the C drive because usually we format it. So you can keep D drive, E drive, but make sure that you have some 30-40 GB space available in that drive. So right now I have used G drive. So what operating system I want to install? I want to install Linux operating system. And in Linux also, as I said, there are multiple flavors out there. So we are going to go with the Ubuntu, and we have other flavors available like Red Hat Linux, Oracle Linux, but I'm going with the Ubuntu. Now it is asking that how much memory you want to allocate. How much memory you want to allocate to your Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to allocate a memory around 4 GB. I'm going to allocate a memory here. So if you have 4 GB RAM laptop, you allocate 2 GB. If you have 8 GB RAM laptop, you can allocate 4 GB. The minimal is 2 GB. The minimal you need to allocate here 2 GB. The minimal you need to allocate is 2 GB. So what I'm saying, why we are allocating memory? Why we are allocating memory? Let me tell you one thing. See, let's say this is a server. Let's say this is any operating system. Let's take an example. This is my Windows operating system. For every operating system, we need to allocate some RAM. We need to allocate RAM. We need to allocate hard disk, correct? For any operating system, you take an example of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine only. You need to allocate RAM, you need to allocate hard disk, and you need to allocate processor, correct? Same thing is going to happen over here also. When I'm installing Ubuntu, for Ubuntu also I need to allocate RAM, hard disk and processor. So how much RAM I can allocate to my Ubuntu? You can allocate around 2 GB to 4 GB. You can allocate around 2 GB to 4 GB. How much hard disk you want to allocate? For Ubuntu, you can allocate a hard disk around, let's take an example, minimum 50 GB. So in this 50 GB, I'm going to store my files. So minimum hard disk I'm going to create of 15 GB. So this 50 GB or 2 GB, everything will be taken from your base operating system, from your Windows only. And number of processors, you can allocate 2 processors. How many processors? 2 processors. Now let's come back to our screen. What I did, I have given the name of a machine is Ubuntu webinar, which is coming on my left hand side. This is a machine folder where my Ubuntu related files will be stored. You can keep it in any location. So I just created one folder with the name G, and under that Ubuntu free webinar VM, I have created this folder. I want to install Linux, and this is a Ubuntu Linux. This is a Ubuntu Linux. How much memory I allocate? I have allocated 4000 MB, which is 4 GB out of 32 GB. In my laptop, I have 32 GB RAM is there. Among that, 4 GB I have allocated to my machine. 4 GB I have allocated to my machine. This is what I have done till now. This is what I have done till now. Okay. Till now, whatever I have discussed, are you able to understand, guys? Do you want to follow me? Can you please do that on your system? Whatever I have discussed, are you able to understand? Can you please use yes? Can you please able to do that? Okay. I see most of the people are saying yes. Those people who are raising the hand, they will be removed. Okay. Do not raise your hand again. I am telling you again. I am repeating it. So please do that. Okay. Please do that. Till now. And once it is done, let me know. Once it is done, let me know. Okay. Click on the new. I click on the new and I got this. Okay. Those people who have not joined our WhatsApp group, Telegram group, please join that. Okay. Please join that. Is it done? Say yes once it is done. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Let me repeat it again from the starting. Okay, those who missed. But ek kaam karo bas. Please try to join on free, like please try to join on the time. Okay, I can take a time, but you cannot take the time. Okay, I am a trainer, so I should have that much of privileges. So let me click on cancel. Click on the new. So see what I did. I click on the tools, click on the new, give the machine name. I'm giving the machine name as Ubuntu. What is the name? Free webinar. You can click on the others. I have created one folder in this location. So I just selected that folder. I'm going to install Linux. This Linux is of Ubuntu flavor. And how much memory I want to allocate? 4 GB of RAM. Those people who have 4 GB of RAM, they can allocate 2 GB of RAM. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay, let's go to the next part. So everyone should be there in this. Okay, this is the path. Everyone should be there. Okay. Okay, ISO image also one option is there now. Don't worry. Okay, that option will also, we will fix that. Okay, we'll fix that. Maybe you are using a different Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm using a different Oracle VM VirtualBox. The version might be little different. That is the reason you might be seeing little bit GUI related options little different. Okay, that may be the problem which I'm guessing. Click on the create. Okay, click on create. Now it will ask you how much storage, how much hard disk you want to allocate to your. Okay, you do one thing guys, by any chance if you are using a different you can download this version also. I'll tell you the virtual box. Okay, no worries. What I will do, I'll share you my Oracle VM VirtualBox setup in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Okay, I'll share there, so you can just download from there. Fine. For now, click on create. Now it is asking that. Now it is asking that. What is the file size? What is the file size? File size means how much storage you want to allocate to your Ubuntu operating system. How much storage? I told you, right? Whenever you're downloading and installing Ubuntu, you need to allocate RAM, you need to allocate hard disk. So how much hard disk you want to allocate? I am going to allocate, okay. I am going to allocate 100 GB of hard drive. If you don't have 100 GB available, that's okay. You can allocate 50 GB also. If you don't have 100 GB, you can allocate 50 GB also. Not a problem. Okay. But since I have 2 terabyte of hard drive, you can see here, I'm allocating 100 GB. If you don't have, you can allocate less than that also. Okay. Okay. Are you done with these steps? Those people who are not done, let me know. So are you people have the same virtual box like this? The minimum storage required is 50 GB. Okay. The minimum storage required is 50 GB. Minimum storage is 50 GB. 50 GB is fine. Okay. 50 GB is fine. Then once it is done, is it done everyone? Do you have same to same Oracle VirtualBox like me, or it is different from you? Is it different for you guys? Is it same or different for you? Different. What about others? Is it different? Different. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me cancel that. I'll do one thing. Do I have options to upgrade it? Let me see Oracle. Let me do one thing. Let me upgrade my Windows host. I'm going to upgrade my Oracle VirtualBox. This is the one which you are using, might be right. 7.0.8. If you go here, where you can see you can go click on the help and or about VirtualBox. I'm using 6.1 because I'm having little different one. You are using 7.0, right? So let me download the latest one. Because of that only it might be little different. Let me do that. Okay, let me do that. अरे why are you using red hat? I'm telling you ना, follow me. एक तो फ्री में है, उसमें भी आप लोगों की इतने नखरे. See guys, follow me only. Okay, see, you are in the initial stage. Okay, so whatever I'm going to tell you, just follow me. Okay, use your mind, you know, once you are comfortable with the technology. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade my Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, for you, let me do that so that we will see same to same, everything will be same to same. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so what is your background, guys? Can you please tell me in the chat option what is your background, like whether you have completed BA, BCom, since we have some free time. Can you please let me know what is your background? Is it BA, BCom, BSc, BSc? What is that? BCom is there, B, BCA, MSc, BCom, B. Acha, MCA is there, BSc is there. Okay, nice, nice. MSc. Okay, BSc वाले बहुत लोग हैं. BCom, B computer, MCA computer engineering, correct. MSc human resource management, HR वाले भी है. Okay, BTech. Okay, BCA, Oracle DBA from Pakistan. Great. MSc. Okay, BTech information technology. So this, like most of the time, you know, this must be, you know, talked in the training. So I just click on the Oracle VirtualBox. Let me open that one more time. I'll just close this Oracle VirtualBox and I'll just upload that once. Preparing install. Click here. Click on next. Next. Yes. Yes. Install. So I'm just going to install the Oracle VM VirtualBox for you. Okay. Let me do that. The current Oracle VM VirtualBox is getting removed from my laptop and new VirtualBox is getting installed. Achha, you guys are able to understand, right? Whatever we are discussing, able to understand na? Yes. Okay. Fine. जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा वो छोड़ के चले जा. ठीक है. Okay, we are doing that and let me finish. Click on the finish. So let me open the VirtualBox now. What about new? Is it something looks like you now? Is it something looks like you? Yes. Okay, nice. All right, now everything should be fine. Okay, now it is asking me one thing that let's do that from the starting. Okay, because now your version and my version is same. I'm really sorry for my confusion, only it was a problem from my side, but now it should be fine. So it is asking that what is the name of your machine. So I'm saying Ubuntu free webinar, something like this. Okay, now it is asking the folder. Again I'll click on the other. and I have already created a folder in this G location, right? So I'm going to select that. Inside the G, free Oracle webinar, right? We have created this free Oracle webinar now. What is the name I have given? Okay, let me create one more folder. Click on new folder. So I'll give the name like Ubuntu webinar VM. I'm just going to create this folder, and this folder I'm going to select it over here. Now it is asking me ISO file. ISO file means this is a Ubuntu ISO file which we downloaded from Ubuntu website, correct? This is a ISO file which we downloaded. So I'll just click on other, and wherever you place that ISO file, I place that ISO file here. After the downloading, I have placed that ISO file here in this location. In this location, I have placed my ISO. So I'll just select that, double click on it, and it has been selected. So this is a Ubuntu ISO file. The type is Linux Ubuntu. There is a one checkbox is there, skip unattended installation. If you are not checking, the installation will be done automatically. So you need to check box. What you need to do? You need to check there. You need to check there. Then it will ask you some more details. No need to do anything over here. It will ask you click on the hardware. So how much hardware you want to allocate? So I'm going to allocate 4000, which is my 4 GB of memory. I'm going to allocate 4 GB of memory. I told you like we need to also allocate processors. So I have 12 CPUs are there. Among that, I'm going to allocate 2 processors. How many processors I'm going to allocate? 2 processors. Then there is an option called hard disk. How much hard disk you want to allocate? So I am going to allocate hard disk is, you can allocate 50 GB, 60 GB, 70 GB. I am allocating 50 GB. So 50 GB is enough. Okay. You can also allocate 100 GB if we have more options. So there are 3 things we have allocated. One is hard disk, which is of 50 GB. Second one, we have allocate 4 GB of RAM, 2 CPUs. Then we have skipped unattended installation. This is what we have done. Please try to follow me now. Please try to follow me now. Till now, whatever we have discussed, please try to follow me now. Let me know once it is done, guys. Let me know once it is done. Anything is fine. SSD, SDD, whatever it is, that's done. Okay. So we have allocate. Don't forget to mention this checkbox. Okay. Skip unattended installation. Don't forget to do that. Okay. If you want to upgrade your Oracle VirtualBox, just go to the website, download the latest Oracle VirtualBox. I have done that just now, 10 minutes back. Just go to the website, download the latest Oracle VirtualBox and install like a normal software. It will be upgraded automatically. Okay, it will be upgraded automatically. Is it done, everyone? I see everyone is able to do that. Okay, fine. So what we have done, we have allocated the ISO file, we have allocated Ubuntu, we have allocated hard disk, everything we have done. Then click on, once it is done, okay, once it is done, click on finish. And now you can see Ubuntu free webinar will be coming over here on your left hand side. Ubuntu free webinar is coming on your left hand side. Okay, it will be coming on your left hand side over here. Okay, you need to do one more thing, guys. Click on the settings, click on settings, click on settings, click on the network, and you can see there is a enable network adapter is there. Click on bridge adapter. What you need to do? Click on the settings, click on the network and select this bridge adapter. No need to do downside. Just select bridge adapter. Why I am doing like that? Because I need internet inside my machine. What I need internet. I need internet inside my Ubuntu machine. That is the reason I am allocating this adapter, bridge adapter. See what I did? Let me do that one more time. Once you get Ubuntu free webinar on your left hand side, click on the settings, click on settings, click on network, enable the network and select this bridge adapter. What you need to select? Select the bridge adapter. Once it is done, let me know. Once it is done, let me know. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done, guys. Everyone must be follow me, okay? Everyone must follow me. Again, I'm telling you, this is the golden opportunity for everyone. So try to do that, okay? Try to do that. If you are not able to do it with me, I'm telling you with my experience that no one can train you, okay? You need to follow me. You need to do that with me. Those people who are not trying, at least watch it. At least watch it and try to understand, okay? If you are going away, nothing is going to help you out in future, okay? आज नहीं तो कल करना ही है. You have not done anything in your college time, so that is the reason you are here, okay? So try to take this seriously, okay, and follow me, okay? Is it done, everyone? Those people who are done, let me know. Is it done? Great. All right, okay. Now click on OK and then finally click on the start button. Where you need to do, you can click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, it will start powering on your machine. You need to wait for 1 minute and your machine will get started. Just wait for 1 minute. Click on the start and your machine will be getting started, okay? Click on the start and your machine will be getting started, okay? Now this is starting your machine. What it is doing? It is starting your machine. And this is the way you will find the things like that. Once you click on the start, you will find the things like that. You will find the things like that. So here it is asking you, do you want to try or install Ubuntu? You need to press enter. Are you there, everyone, with this screen? Okay, by default this option is getting selected and press enter. What do you need to do? You need to press enter. If you are not pressing the enter, automatically it will go to the same screen and you will see the Ubuntu logo like this. You will see the Ubuntu logo like this. Please join our WhatsApp group, Telegram group again to make sure that just press enter. Once you get the screen, press enter. No need to do anything. Click inside the VM and press enter and it will come like this. If you want this screen, there will be a start button on the top. You need to click here. There was a start button on the top. Just click on the start button and it will work. And wait for some time, okay? Wait for some time. And it will get started, okay? Just wait for some time and your installation will get started, okay? Please ask your friends, colleague, anyone if they want to join this free SQL and Linux. This will be a really interesting class. I'm telling you, if you take it seriously, it will be really So what you can do, like you must have seen our WhatsApp status. You can just keep the WhatsApp status on your phone so that it will be visible to the multiple people. You can ask them to join our WhatsApp group. Okay, so 50 GB is okay. Ubuntu will take some time to start. Okay, so now our Ubuntu is getting started. Just wait for some time. Okay, and it will get started. Those people who are watching from YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Those people who are, please like this video, subscribe to this video, share it with your friends, colleagues. So you'll find like the black screen is coming. Just wait and you will see a pop-up where it will ask you to install it. Okay, okay, so we got this, red screen, and yes, we got this pop-up where it is asking that, do you want to install Ubuntu or you want to try Ubuntu? So obviously what I need to do, I will click on the install Ubuntu. Just click on the install Ubuntu. Just click on the install Ubuntu. Then it will ask you, just follow me. Okay, just check once. Then it will ask you what language you want to have on for your Ubuntu. Like the default option is English, so we are okay with that. Click on continue. The continue button will be there little down. Then it will ask you, do you want to go with the normal installation, download updates while installing Ubuntu? You can check this, uncheck this. You can uncheck this and click on the normal installation. No need to make any changes over here. Click on the normal installation. 3 steps I have done. Whatever things was already selected, just try that. Okay, follow me everyone. Please do these 3 steps. Install Ubuntu and click on continue. Click on continue. Just follow me. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Once it is done, let me know guys in the chat option. Done. Right, done. Once it is done, let me know. Great. Okay, great. Okay, so there will be option erase disk and install Ubuntu. No need to worry, nothing will happen to your laptop. Okay, just click on the erase disk and install Ubuntu, and finally click on install now. What you need to do, click on the install now. Nothing will happen to your laptop. Click on continue. If you get a pop-up, click on continue. Okay, nothing will happen. Click on continue. Install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu and then say next, next, next. If you get the message like erase disk and install Ubuntu, click on install Ubuntu. Nothing will happen. Okay, and wait for some time. Wait for some time. If you guys get error message related to the you need to enable the virtualization. In some of the laptop, this Oracle VirtualBox will not work by default. In some laptop, you need to enable the Oracle, you need to enable the virtualization from the BIOS setting. There is something we call it as a BIOS setting. You need to, so if you go to the YouTube and if you search how to enable virtualization in BIOS, you'll see a lot of videos are available. So if you go to the YouTube and if you just search like enable virtualization in Windows 10 and just search it with the YouTube, you'll get multiple videos out there. Just follow this video, enable the virtualization. Just follow this video, they will tell you how to enable the virtualization. Okay, in some laptop it will not work, so you will not be able to use that. Okay, yeah, erase error, nothing will happen. Click on install now. Okay, then it will ask you where are you located. So right now I'm staying in India, so by default India is selected. Click on continue. Click on continue. Now here it will ask you to create one username. So I'm going to create one username with the name Learnomate. Just create a username like this only. The way I have given a name, same way you need to follow. Learnomate. What you need to do? You need to create one user with the help of name Learnomate. And then it will ask you to provide the password also. The password I'm setting it as Oracle. Don't give difficult password, just give the password like Oracle, simple password. Select the country wherever you are belonging to, select the country from there and enter the username as Learnomate and password is Oracle. Password is Oracle. Password is Oracle. If you get erase one option, that click on continue, nothing will happen. Okay, nothing will happen. It will ask you to create one username. The username should be Learnomate. Just follow my username. Don't create your own name or any other name. Just follow my name only. Okay. My name is not a Learnomate. Just follow that. Let me know once it is done. Are you here? Are you here, everyone? Are you here till now? Can you please use done, yes, yes, whatever it is. Let me know once you are following me. Yes? Okay, okay. Everyone is saying yes. Those people who are not able to do, then it's very difficult, boys. Okay? इससे स्लो तो कोई भी नहीं चलेगा. दुनिया में सबसे स्लो पढ़ाने वाला आदमी मैं ही हूँ. If you are not able to match me, then you cannot match to anyone. Are you here till now? Okay, so I see everyone is saying yes. Click on continue. What do you need to do? Click on continue. What do you need to do? Click on continue. And now you need to wait for another 30-40 minutes. Okay, if you are getting this screen, keep your laptop on for another 30 minutes and your installation of Ubuntu will be done. Keep your laptop for 30 minutes like this and your installation will be done. Then from tomorrow you can use this Ubuntu operating system. Then from tomorrow you can use this Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so this is the way you can install your Ubuntu operating system. If you get this screen, don't worry, this will be running for another 30 minutes. Okay, after that, from tomorrow you can directly do the installation. What you can do? You can directly do the installation. So in today's lecture, okay, in today's lecture we have seen how we can install the Ubuntu. In today's lecture we have seen how to install the Ubuntu operating system. Again, I am telling you one thing. If you know how to install the Ubuntu operating system, you can install any other operating system. Like, I'll tell you one thing, that you can install Red Hat Linux, you can install Oracle Linux, you can install any other operating system. If you know these things, okay, if you know these things, you can do any operating system. All the installation of the operating systems are completely same. If you know this, you can do any other operating system. Okay, so whatever we have discussed today, okay, So how was the session, guys? Able to understand? How was the session? Good, bad, best, better, can be better? Able to understand? How was the able to understand? Everyone? Okay. Everyone is saying is good. Able to understand? Fine. Okay. We will go slowly. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. We will go slowly. And we will try to achieve the best thing. Okay. We will try to achieve the best thing. So don't worry, we will go and try to understand each and everything slowly. But again, I'm really sorry for the things that we are not able to solve your each and every problem. Try to understand that like it's a free session, many people are joining at a time. It's really not possible for us, to, but I'm trying my best to resolve as much as I can. And I'm trying to understand your problems through the chat and trying to resolve that. But certain problems will be there which where we need to take the control and fix the issues. Okay. So but don't worry, like if you will be the part of our paid training, maybe in future or wherever, okay, so there we will make sure that you will get everything. Okay. But since like you need to understand that huge audience is there, it's quite difficult to provide everyone support. But I'm trying my best to deliver the best content. I'm telling you, just follow me. Okay. And you can expect a very good job. Okay. You can expect a very good job. So tomorrow our installation will be ready. Okay. Tomorrow our installation will be ready. So from tomorrow we are going to actually learn about the Linux command. Okay. So again, this will not be recorded to the YouTube or anywhere. Please try to join this. Okay. Please try to join this on the time. Okay. I know that many people have reached out to us or my team asking about the another timing. Most of some people, they are not able to join this by 6 to 7, but I'm really, you try to understand my situation also. We have a paid batches available in the morning. We have a paid batches available in the night time also. Even after this class, I have one more batch is there. And usually we take our 6 to 7 as our paid batch, but it was my wish to deliver the free of cost content to my people, so we adjust this 6 to 7 time. So for some people it is a good time, for some people it is not that good, but please try to adjust. Okay. Maybe in future, whenever we try for free SQL and Linux, maybe in future, not sure at this point, so that time we will try to suggest some other time. Okay. But right now this is a fixed time for everyone. Please try to adjust yourself. Okay. In future I will try to adjust myself whenever we plan for free SQL and Linux. Okay. So okay, so utilize these sessions. Okay. And that's how it works. Okay. So we are going to continue with this free SQL and Linux from tomorrow. We have completed our installation. Do not touch to your laptop for another 30 minutes. Let it be like that, and then you can just start your machine. Okay. You will get an option to reboot your machine. Just start it and it will be done. Then like you can use your Ubuntu operating system and you can do your commands there. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Let's do that. Those people who missed today's session by any chance, you can visit my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel also we have streamed that. Okay. Today's recording also available on my YouTube channel. So those people who missed some steps or anything, please go to my YouTube channel. It is also available there. Okay. So you can get the things from there. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this and giving your valuable time with us. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will connect on the same time by tomorrow. Okay.